So she brought in a total of $966. And that's since she opened her door. She was open for 2 weeks in the month of March and 2 weeks in the month of April. And she sold $966 worth of shea butter. Thank you, thank you, thank you to all of our friends, family, subscribers, everybody, the whole fam for supporting my daughter and her dreams. That's what it's all about. I feel like all children who decide to become entrepreneurs, we need to make sure we're supporting these children because they are the future. Hello. Okay, so anyway, let's talk about how she is spending it. So first off, she has money that is on her Qube card. If you want to know more about what the Qube card is and how it works, I'll do a separate video. I already have one. I'll put it here where you can see it. But basically what it is a digital cash envelope system where you can allocate different amounts of money to different categories, and you can turn them on and off and spend from them and have them off so that they're safe and nobody, you know, can take your money. So in addition to the $966, she also had this. So really, what I'm going to do here is put $966 plus 200, which really gives her $1166 to work with. So basically Qube was 200. Then she took $341.44 for profit. And then she put 200 in PayPal for shipping costs and, you know, paying for deliveries of products to her customers. And then what does that leave her with? What's 1166 minus 400 minus 341.44? Okay, then that leaves her with $424.56 to buy products, to re-up on everything that she needs to re-up on, because we are completely sold out. I mean, she had, I shouldn't say completely, we have like a couple jars of mint chocolate, which has, oh my goodness, y'all. I know it's not winter time, but that mint chocolate shea butter goes off. And it's the only shea butter out of her 3 scents that she carries that has raw cocoa butter also as an ingredient. It is amazing. Premium product, premium essential oils. It's awesome. But anyway, that's what she has to spend on everything. And if she wants to roll over some of that money so that it covers products for a couple of months, she can do that, because I don't think she'll spend all of that. But it'll be close, because shipping, whew, shipping is out of pocket, because, you know, living in Hawaii. But that's Eva's business. That's her breakdown. That's her budget. And that is for the months of March and April. Last one is my favorite, and that is the travel sinking fund. So I don't get to add to these often, but yes, I have a binder, and whatever money we spend while we are traveling, it all comes from here, or it don't happen, honey. Okay, now if we make any credit card purchases, like I said, that's just from our travel fund, or we will if we want to buy something for our own personal from our own personal money, we can do that. But other than that, it comes from here. So first up, airports had $20 at the end of March, and now it has $5, $10, $15, $20, $25, $30. So that's a gain of 10. Next up is tips. Tips had $30. It now has $5, $10, $15, $20, $25, $30, $35, $40. I'm glad I was able to add to this a little bit, because I didn't know that I would be traveling soon for work and for medical stuff. So this is why you just keep on doing it. Eating out had $25. It now has $20, $40, $50, $55, $60, $65, $70. Yes. So what is that? 30, 40, 50, 60. Yeah, I still count on my hands. That's a gain of 45 for eating out. Speaking of hands, get into these press-on nails. Have you realized they're press-ons? Hey. Next up is excursions, which had $40 and now has $20, $40, $45, $50, which is a gain of 10. Okay, next up is travel miscellaneous. It had $40 and now it has $10, $20, $30, $40, $45, $50. A little bit goes a long way, guys. I'm so happy with this progress. And then next up is actually travels. It still has the same 30, so no difference. And then I keep notes for when we're traveling on what we spent. I don't play. Next up is gas. Gas had $10. Yeah, $10. And now it has $5, $10, $15, $20. So this will pay for the gas for our rental cars. Wait, did I say 10? 5, 10, 15, $20. Okay. Plus 10. Next up is gifts. If I want to, and what I'm going to do is kind of like the reverse. Instead of buying gifts while I'm traveling, I buy gifts before we leave and take them to friends and family back home. So 5, 10, no. Gifts had only 5, by the way. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, $13. $13 for gifts. Oh, I didn't put that. So that's plus $8. Then we have these babies. These are my location-based travel cash envelopes. And so let's see who's next. bmore. Okay, so bmore, I'm adding to this one more. It had 70. It now has 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 50. So 150. So that's a difference of $80, right? Nice. See, I didn't even realize. This is why I love tracking the progress after like a month or two. Okay, next up is Texas, which is our layover state when we're traveling off the island. Texas had 20. It now has 20, 25, 30, 35, $40. So that's plus 20. I'm like excited and not excited to travel. Does that make sense? Anybody else traveled in this pandemic? Hawaii had 20, and I can almost see through this. It still has 20. So that's a difference of 0. And then this is for in case I want to go to a place that I don't know I want to go to yet. It could be a cruise if that ever happens or opens up again. But anyway, it had 30 and it still does. No difference there. And then Mexico had 20 and no difference there, 20. Okay, so let's add this up and see how we're looking. We had $360 and now let's see how much we have. What's 30 plus 40 plus 70 plus 50 plus 50 plus 30 plus 20 plus 13 plus 150 plus 40 plus 20 plus 30 plus 20? Okay, so we had 360 and now we have $563. Yes, honey. Oh, I'm so happy with that. And pretty much we added to every single category. So what's 563 minus 360? And so that is a difference of $203 that we added to travel sinking funds. And it's so crazy because I added to these sinking funds so long ago, almost forgot I did it. I'm glad I did it. It probably was due to the stimulus stuffing or the tax refund stuffing or the braces refund stuffing. So I am very, very pleased with this progress, and it's just in time because we will be traveling before you know it, real soon. And you know I'll be documenting it all. If you want to get some travel inspo, if you can't travel right now and you like to watch other people travel, I got you there too. Check out my second YouTube channel, Rochelle Adamson Travels. And if you are looking to book travel to Hawaii or Mexico, those are the only 2 places I'm booking travel right now. Sorry, y'all. It's too much going on and there's a lot of red tape that's ever changing. So those are the only 2 places I feel comfortable booking travel at this point, Hawaii and Mexico. If you are interested, hit my website up, actuallytravels.com. I am now accepting clients, new clients, and I would love to assist you. Well, that is all for today's video. I think we did a lot today, but I'm happy. I'm happy with our progress, and I will see you guys in the next video. Let me know in the comments below how your travel is going, your travel plans. Are you traveling? If you're traveling, let me know how much you've saved. Just let me know. Just talk to your girl, okay? I've been a little bit slow on commenting and replying back, but I'm back. Your girl is back, okay? Had a lot going on, freed myself up. That's what you got to do sometimes. Anyway, I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, peace, love, and budgets. This will be